What I was saying was I think this is like out of proportion. Like the scale of it, it's a little big for your front door here, and then there's this, and it's like you have a hard time getting by if people are coming, so this has to be pruned regularly, and it's with a hedge trimmer, so there's no growth in here. It's just all brown. So what you do, if you didn't want to just do an immediate pruning where you bring it way down to the bottom, because there's a little bit of growth at the bottom, but it would be very severe, the pruning you'd have to do to like just bring it down to that. So I recommend you do it in stages, where you cut off big chunks. So like cut off this whole chunk here.
Yeah.
So it's a hole at the top so the sun can get in, and you can't really see it from the street. So it's like a phase, as it's like growing out your bangs, where it's like a little painful.
Okay.
Then you get the new growth in there. Then you can go in and take more of the branches off and bring it down gradually. So it's like a little less, like I said, a little less severe, but you achieve the same goal, which is to bring these, I think, back under control a little bit. That's what I would do.
Yeah, okay. And you do the same with the other one?
I would.
Yeah.
Yeah.